Welcome to Think Big Digital once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post a free job on LinkedIn. So first of all, when you go to your LinkedIn feed, you will see up there a job section. You have to click on there. After click on the job section, just go to your left and here you can see option named post a free job. Just click on that. After clicking on that option, LinkedIn will redirect to you in another page which is actually looking like this, and they will call you. They will told you to log in this to the section. This name is sign into LinkedIn Talent Solution. Just click on sign in. This is the same password and email you have to provide as your original LinkedIn account. That's it. It's taking some time. After that, you will see a option like this, post a job now. So I have previously posted job, that's why it's showing like that. Here you can post any kind of job title you are want to hire. Let's say you want to hire a digital marketing specialist. When you go digital marketing, let's say hire a digital marketing specialist. This is your company, and must have a company page on your LinkedIn profile. This is must. Let's say this is my company name, Think Big Brands. I'm putting just here. You have to select the type. If you want an on-site employee, if you want a remote employee or a hybrid employee, you have to just choose the option. As I'm choosing an on-site, and this is my job location. Like if they all wants to work on on-site, definitely they wants to have a location. So this is my job location, and this is my job type. It's full-time, part-time, or contract. Let's say I'm clicking on the contract. Okay, and this is the new feature from LinkedIn. You can write a job description with AI and write my own. I will click on write my own as I don't have the premium option. So after clicking on that, this will something will show, and this is my previous one. That's why it's showing like that, and it is already written with AI. Let's click on that. Continue drafting. Okay, so they have already given me a good one, a good description with AI. So after that, I have to add the skill. This is automatically added by LinkedIn, but I want to, if you want to add something, just click on that here and you can add a skill. Let's say if you want them to have a good Excel, Microsoft Excel skill, you have to click on that. And if you can add at mostly 10 skill here, not more than 10. So after click on that and completing that all, you have to click on the next and continue with the editing. Yes. And here you want to collect the information from your employee. I want to collect the information by my email, so I choose this option by email. If you want to take them to another website, you have to click the external website and you have to just give your website link here. But I'm here wants to take applicant request from by my email, so I'm choosing the option here by email and I will click my email address here. And this is some question you can add here. Did you complete your bachelor degree? Ideal answer is yes. If you click on the must have qualification, that means they must have this option in their bio or in their application form. So after adding this kind of question, you can add more here. As you can see here, there's a more option there. You can add as many as option you want to like. Then you have to click on the continue. Okay, let me give anything. Just I'm giving this one for an example. So after clicking all this option, you have to click on continue option. After click on the continue, your job will be published. Remember one thing, if you are in a free trial or a free version of LinkedIn, you can post up to one post job for totally free in a month. You can post more than one job, but if you are in a premium version, you can post up to 10, 50 and many things you want. So I think you find this video helpful. If you have any question related to this, make sure to comment on this video.